Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝗠𝘆𝗳𝗶𝗿, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome, sis. So today's video is sponsored by MyFirstWig.com. I don't know about you guys, but every time I have a short wig on, I always just feel so sexy and just so luscious and just untouchable. Like, excuse you, are you trying to talk to me? Like, hello? Don't mind me, guys. So yeah, if it's your first time stopping by and checking out my videos, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below, okay? Check me out on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, okay? So I'm even giving you guys attitude. So what I'm saying about this week. This is what I'm saying. But anyways, make sure you check me out on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, my loves, let's jump right into this video.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling.
My wig came in this MyFirstWig box, and you guys can see once I open it, there is this pink and black purse that contains everything you need to install your wig on your hair. Okay, MyFirstWig is for beginners. That's why they put all these things in the box for you guys. It comes with clips, wig caps, brushes, bobby pins, and everything you need. My wig obviously came in this clear pink bag, and once I open it and take it and unravel it from the net, this wig is literally so secure. I mean, it comes with this elastic band that's like a bra strap that's adjustable to fit your head size, and it comes with 3 extra clips and another elastic band at the back. So this wig is going to be secure all summer long. Even if your got to be starts melting under the hot sun or when you're at the club, this wig is not going anywhere. Okay? So now let's move on to cutting. Pretty much this is what the wig looks like once I put it on my mannequin head. And I just want to show you guys the hairline of this wig real quick. As you guys can see, the wig did come pre-plucked. The lace of the wig is super thin, so it feels very realistic when you lay it on your head, okay? The only thing is I wish that the knots did come bleached, because you guys can see the tiny black knots. But if that's gonna bother you, make sure you bleach your knots before you install your wig. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and separate the top part of the wig, which is the longest part of the hair, and once that's away, I'm going to go ahead and take my razor and start literally cutting my hair about 2 inches, yeah, but I'm doing this in layers, okay?
You are man down. He ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week.
Moving on to the other side of my wig, I am going back in with my razor to just ensure everything is cut in layers, and the hair is about 2 inches long. I'm cutting it to about 2 inches long. When I got the wig, it was about 8 inches. Everything you need to know about this wig is going to be listed right down below in the description bar. Okay, so I'm taking my olive oil wrap and set mousse. I'm pretty much applying this throughout the entire wig, and I am applying a very generous amount to this wig. Oh my god, funny story, guys. When I got this wig, I was like, oh my god, since it's a full lace wig, I am going to do finger waves. I don't know how people do this thing. It is so hard to do. Like, look, I'm gonna show you guys. That is my attempt, my sad attempt at finger waves. But anyways, it wasn't working, so I decided to stick with my original plan and just do my pixie cut. So once I apply my mousse everywhere, I am just going to go ahead and take these wrapping sheets and apply it, well, not apply it, and wrap my whole entire wig and just leave this to dry. While the mousse is setting on my wig, I'm going to go ahead and take the remaining hair from the top part of the wig and just trim it just a little bit with my razor and with a pair of shears as well. Okay, so at this point the mousse has set into my wig and I am just going to go ahead and install this on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and take my 𝗿𝗍𝗶𝗴 spiking gel. I like using the smaller travel size because it's more potent. Well, I don't know if potent is a word, but it's just more concentrated than the bigger size, I find. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the perimeter of my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see through my wig cap, but yeah, I cut my hair. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer to just ensure the 𝗿𝗍𝗶𝗴 is tacky. And I'm going to go ahead and pull my lace front onto the 𝗿𝗍𝗶𝗴 and press it down using my comb and my fingers. And I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer to just ensure everything is nice, tight, and secure. Once that's secure on my hair, I'm going to take my hot comb and just start combing my hair backwards just to mold it to my face. Okay, now this part was a little bit hard and challenging, I'm not going to lie. This part is going to be a little bit weird. It takes a lot of practice and just a lot of messing around with the hair to just find what works. But anyways, I'm just going to take my straightener and just curl the top part of my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my mousse and use this to just press down and mold the back of my wig. Anyways, I'm going to start combing the curled part of my wig, and this is what I mean by it's a little bit messed up. I didn't like the area it was flowing in, so I decided to comb it the other way with a smaller comb this time. And I'm just going to go back in with my hot comb to just sort of mold the hair so that it falls perfectly in place. So honestly, my hair was looking higgy haga, and at this point I was already getting frustrated, so I just decided to start kind of curling my hair in the opposite direction now, and just going back in with my straightener. I'm going to go ahead and just straighten it and then curl the ends just a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and do this to the entire top part of my wig.
Has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes.
Okay, so once I'm done straightening and curling the ends of my hair, this is pretty much what it looks like, and I feel like now it's a little bit more manageable. Just the ends were really pissing me off. It was very awkward looking, and I did not know what to do, so I added a little bit more mousse to the hair to make it easier to mold. I'm just going back in with my hot comb to just sort of straighten it out a little bit more and give myself a lift in front. So once that was done, I decided to go back in with my straightener and just completely straighten the ends of my hair, and it came out really bomb. Yeah, it came out really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it for styling this hair. I just played around with the front part a little bit and the lift with my fingers, and yeah, that was it literally. And yeah, we are done with the styling.
Seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky.
Okay, so for finishing touches, I just did a little bit of baby hair, just a tad bit, and we are finally done, guys.
Lucky me. Lucky, I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man, down. He ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the rise.